Daniel Bwala is a failed lawyer and will become a political liability to Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Senator Ndume said. Let me explain. As the saying goes, you can remove a man from APC, but you can never remove APC from the man. Daniel Bwala is an example of that. And I'll break it down. Before 2023 general election, Daniel Bwala used to be in APC. He moved to PDP in 2022 before the general election to start supporting Atiku Abubakar because of the presidential election which was approaching. Immediately after the 2023 general election that Atiku did not win, Daniel Bwala withdrew his support from Atiku and started supporting Tinubu, who is in APC where he left. Most people were shocked to see Daniel Bwala in Aso Rock started supporting Tinubu and saying that they should give Tinubu time, that Tinubu will work. So in a recent interview, Senator Mohammed Ndume said that Daniel Bwala is a failed lawyer and can become a political liability to the president. Anyway, hear from him.
You know that Daniel Bwala, I can describe him aptly as an empty drum making noise around Abuja. And you know our people, you know people of Howell, you know people of Marawa particularly. You know who is who in Marama as a journalist. You know whether Daniel Bwala is somebody that I will respond to. The only reason why I'm responding now is because he talked about threat, about security issues, and that is his strategy, maybe trying to get the attention of Mr. President, which I have seen him running around. Maybe now he would demand for police, to show that he's somebody, demand for SS and all that. I just pray that they will give him something because he's trying to get something to survive on after being a failed lawyer in Abuja. You know he came one time, and you yourself, you know who Daniel Bwala is. I don't need to tell you. But I want to tell them that Bwala can only be useful in attacking people. But it is not going to be beneficial because when you know it's a mad dog that bites you or barks at you. As I said, if you're sorry for a mad dog, that's the word of Peter Tosh. It can turn around and bite you. All I can advise Mr. President is that he should know politically Daniel Bwala is just a mad dog who barks at even the owner. So he should be careful with the mad dog. In fact, the mad dog has beaten President Bwala before when he betrayed the party and went to Atiku and he was backing and biting our president. Now they want to bring him, he wants to be with the president and he's running up and down there. It's a mad dog has number 6. So if he doesn't have people around him, there won't be any person that you bite. So he's now trying to get into presidency and generate sympathy that Ndume. I don't have time for that, no.
There are many individuals in Nigeria that you can never trust their political support. Number 1 is Reno Mokri and second is Daniel Bwala. Please help me mention the rest in the comment section because Ibile said there plenty. But before you do that, do not forget to
enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.